Dear student, in this lecture we will discuss basic statistic, definition of statistic, what is statistic mean, and how many types of statistic. So this is the first lecture related to statistic. Statistic, it is the science which deal with development and application of the most appropriate method for the collection of data, presentation of the collected data, analysis and interpretation of the results, making decision on the basis of such analysis. The field of statistics deals with the collection, presentation, analysis and use of data to make decision. स्टैटिस्टिक फील्ड जो है वो डिसीजन किस बेस पे करता है, कलेक्शन पे, यानी कलेक्शन ऑफ डेटा, डेटा को कलेक्ट करता है, उसको एनालाइज करता है और डेटा को यूज़ करता है टू सॉल्व अ प्रॉब्लम एंड डिज़ाइन प्रोडक्ट एंड प्रोसेसेस, और डिज़ाइनिंग के लिए और प्रोसेस के लिए डेटा यूज़ करता है और उसी के बेस पे डिसीजन लेता है. Because many aspects of engineering practice involve working with data, obviously some knowledge of statistics is important to any engineer. Specifically, statistical technique can be a powerful aid in designing new product and system, improving existing design and designing, developing and improving production processes. Statistics is a science that help us make decision and draw conclusion in the presence of variability. For example, civil engineer working in the transportation field are concerned about the capacity of regional highway system. A typical problem related to transportation would involve data regarding home-based trip, the number of person per household and the number of vehicle per household. The objective would be to produce a trip generation model relating trips to the number of person per household, and the number of technique called regression analysis can be used to construct this model. The trip generation model is an important tool for transportation system planning. Regression method are among the most widely used statistical techniques in engineering. Now, there are two types of statistic we will discuss: descriptive statistic and inferential statistic. First, let us discuss descriptive. What is descriptive statistic? Is a branch of statistics dedicated to the organization, summarization, and description of data. And inferential statistic is the branch of statistics concerned with the using sample data to make inference about a population. In inferential statistic, prediction are made in conclusion or drawn for the target population on sample. Basic term and their definitions. Population. What is population and sample? Population means an aggregate of individuals having a particular characteristic. A part of population selected for a study is called a sample. In other words, a sample is defined as a representative part of any population. Parameter and statistic. Parameter is a value, known or unknown, concerning some characteristic of a population. For example, the average age of student in a certain college at a time of admission is a parameter. It is a fixed quantity and always to be estimated. Statistic is a value concerning some characteristic of a sample. For example, sample average can be defined as a statistic. Sample average may vary from sample to sample, even drawn from the same population. Statistical data. Individual recorded value of the result of an experiment is called an observation. A collection of such observation may be termed as a data or statistical data. Suppose we want to know the average weight of student of first year class in a certain college. We record the weight of each student in that class. The numerical value so recorded is called an observation. The collected observation are collectively called data. Statistical data are classified as primary data and secondary data. If the data is collected for the first time for the purpose of the current study, it is called primary data. Secondary data is that which has been already collected by someone or some organization for some other purpose. Thank you.